Hello, welcome to the channel. Here we go, Functional Skills Level 2 from OCR this time. A sample assessment, so it's non-calculator. So, should we see what we can do with this? Okay, right, let's see whether we can go up and down. So, find the median of these numbers. We're going to put them in order from the smallest. Let's do 43.05, 43.61, 43.87, 44.15, 44.36, and lastly 44.76. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So it's going to be in the middle of these two, yeah? So add them together and divide by 2. Oh, this is non-calculator, isn't it? Yeah. So 43.87 and 44.15. Add them together. 12, 8, 9, 10, and 7 and 8. And 4 and 4 is 8. Oh, it's easier to divide by 2. Divide that by 2 is 44.01. 44.01. So, right, here are 6 solids that are made from identical cubes. Which 2 of the solids could have this plan view? The plan is looking down. So it could be, we've got 3, could be this one, D, or B. So D and B. Points A and B are shown on the centimetre squared grid. Point A is a coordinate of 4, 0, yeah? Write down the coordinates of point B. So that will be minus 2, 0. AB is the base of a triangle. Find the coordinates of C so that the triangle has an area of 702. So the area of a triangle is half base height. So we just need to find the height. We have the area, so 702 equals half times the base, which is, oh, hang on, we need to know what the base is, don't we? Let's come here, draw, erased, half, the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half times 6 times the height. Right, half of 6 is 3, so 702 equals 3 times the height, so 702 times divide by 3 will equal the height. That seems big. Now we've got to do that by longhand. 702 divided by 3, which is 2, and 1 over is 3, and 1 over is 4. 234. So 234 is the height. And it doesn't matter. It could be anything with that height. So the height is the y. So 2, 3, 4. And it doesn't matter. So we just put 0 in there. Yeah, up the middle. A window consists of a pane of glass inside a wooden frame. Calculate the pane width. Alright, so we've got a 12 and a quarter. We've got to take away these two things, yeah? Yeah. So let's add these two together. So 2 and 3/16 and 2 and 3/16 is 12 and a quarter. Take a quarter. Take away 4 and 6/16. 4 and 6/16. Oh, let's make that into 16ths, shall we? So that's 12 and divide times that by 4. So it's 12 and 4/16. Take away 4 and 6/16. We're going to change these into top heavies, I suppose, because the 4 is smaller than the 6. What's 12 times 16? 12 times 16. 2 6s are 12. 6 and 7 and 1 and 2 and 1. No, 2 and 1. So we got 2, 9, 1. Plus 4 is 196. So we've got 196 over 16. Take away this 4/16 is 64/70 over 16. And that will equal 126 over 16. Yay, this is awkward. Right. So let's do the 16 times table, yeah? So 16 till we get to 126. 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, get in there, 96, 16 and 106, 112, 112. Another 16 onto that is 128, too big. So 112 is right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7, and we've got 4 left, 112. From 128 take away 12 is 116. Now it can't be 16, can it? Because that would be exactly right. No. Oh, it's 126. 126 take away 12 is 14 over 16. 14 over 16. We'll simplify that a bit, so I'll give the answer as 7 and 7/8. Yeah, that was complicated. The window has an area of 1800. The pane of glass is 1710. What percentage of the window is the pane area? So we've got 1710 divided by 1800 times 100. Oh, gotta try and simplify this. Yeah, let's half this number. Can we half this number? Yeah, then I can divide by 9. So half of that is 855. Hang on. So we've got 500, 350, and 5. So 855, yeah. So I've got 855 over half of that is 900 times 100. So that. So it's just 855 divided by 9. So 855 divided by 9. 9 nines are 81 with 4 over, and 5 nines are 45. So it's 95%. They're not giving anything away on here, are they? Right. Each curve is a quarter of a circle with radius of 6. If the area of one side is calculated as it was a rectangle, we get an answer larger than the actual area. The extra area is shaded. Find the total shaded area. Use 3.1 as the value of pi. So, the total shaded area. So this little bit here, this is 6 by 6. That's 6 by 6, which equals 36. Right, so that's the whole thing. Now the shaded area, let's work out the quarter of a circle. So the quarter of a circle is going to be pi r squared, which equals 3.1 times radius is 636. Okay, let's work that out. 36 times 3.1. So 6 and 3 and 0 and 3 6s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 10. Add those two together, 6, 11. So 111.6 111.6. Now that's for the total. So we're going to divide that by 4. I'm going to do it the awkward way, yeah? I'll just find out one bit. Divide it by... Oh no, I don't need to do that, do I? So that would be the total of the 4... of a complete circles, yeah? Right, complete circles. Now we've got this. We have to multiply this by 4. So multiply that by 4, which is 144. Oh, multiply that by 4, sorry, which is 144. So if I take one away from the other, I should find the shaded part. So let's take one away from the other. So 3, 1, 4, 2, 3. 32.4 millimeters square. Here's a formula for screen area. A equals K D squared. For a screen, K 0.5 and D is 9.1. Calculate an estimate of the screen area. So let's put A equals, calculate an estimate, 0.5 times D, call it 10. 10 squared, 100 equals 50. 50 centimeters squared. That's an estimate. I've gone a bit too big there, haven't I think. Because it's 9.1. I've rounded that up to, I should have rounded it down to, say, 9. 9 is 81. So half of 81 is 40.5. I think that's more sensible. 40.5. Okay, that's the end of that lovely little... That was a tricky. Right, so where are we going? We're going to there. Okay, so there you go. So, how was that then? That was a tricky little paper, that one. Do not forget, if you like this sort of stuff, why don't you subscribe? Help the channel grow. It's brand new. All the papers you ever want are all in one place. Make a comment about you want me to do something else. Thumbs up, say you've watched it. And there are links down below for more videos of the same sort. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.